Hi everyone, in this video I'll be permanently decrypting my C system drive in VeraCrypt. So I'm going to open up VeraCrypt and then there's my C drive and then so I'm going to go volumes and then permanently decrypt and it's asking, are you sure you want to permanently decrypt the system partition / drive? Yes. Caution, if you permanently decrypt the system partition drive, unencrypted data will be written to it. Are you really sure you want to permanently decrypt the system partition drive? Yes. Yes. And so it's decrypting. This will take some time depending on how large is your system drive and how fast is your computer. All right, and it's completed decrypting. The system partition drive has been successfully decrypted. Okay. And your computer must be restarted. Do you want to restart it now? Yes. And we see it's booting straight into Windows. It's not asking for a password. And I have the login screen. I'm going to log in. All right, I'm back in Windows. And if I go to VeraCrypt, and we see my volume is not there anymore. So that's good. I'll close it. And one last thing, you may have a VeraCrypt folder still in your UEFI partition. So that can be removed as well. I'm going to open up a command prompt as administrator. Open up disk part. List my disk. And it's going to be disk 0, my only disk. And list the partitions. And it's going to be partition 1, the system partition, 100 megabytes. Select partition 1. And assign it a drive letter. I'm going to assign it drive letter Z. I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go into my Z drive, dir. I'm going to go into my EFI directory, dir. And we see that there's a VeraCrypt folder. I go into it, dir. And if you have any files in this directory, it can be removed. For me, I have the SVH back file. So I'm going to remove this and the folder itself. I'm going to go back up to the parent, rmdir/s VeraCrypt. Yes, dir, and it's removed. So that's it. That's how you can permanently decrypt your system drive in VeraCrypt. I hope this video was useful, and I thank you for watching. Bye now.